We will see how to connect TryHackMe VPN through Kali Linux. It will use for best practice through TryHackMe site to Kali Linux site. Okay. We already arrived to TryHackMe site and we see the dashboard. This is site dashboard. Many features are available here. We need to VPN feature for connect VPN over Kali Linux. Okay, so we are moved to here. Access. First, you are logging this TryHackMe site for get every feature and everything. Okay. Next, we are moved to access. We can see OVPN page is loaded. Okay, and server status online, connection not connected, VPN IN regular, there is no IP available here. Okay, if we can refresh, there is no IP available here and there is no change. If any change, we require to work here. Machine we can see VPN server in multiple VPN server, EU regular 1, EU regular 2, EU regular 3, 4 and others and others. We can connect IN regular 1. IN means Indian site, is better for Asia Pacific. If you can other region, you can use your selected VPN. Okay, so we are select IN regular site and regenerate file. We click to regenerate file. If regenerate, we will download it. Okay, is a download button available here, and we click to download button for download this file in folder. Maybe already downloaded. We can see download folder, OVPN file already downloaded. Okay, we hit to folder button and we see already downloaded. Okay, we are maximize this page and opening a new terminal and we move to download folder for check it. Download it is auto completed and click enter. ls for check file already available, a malacca.ovpn file. Okay, and we need to run this file to connect TryHackMe website VPN for best practice website lab through TryHackMe. Okay, then we move to ovpn is tap to auto complete it and click hit to enter button. It is not completed due to showing existing due to fatal error. Okay, we need to privilege access for execute this file. Okay, sorry, and my default password is Kali. I put here Kali and this line is very important, that initial sequence completed. It means that your VPN is connected over TryHackMe site. Okay, so we are moved to TryHackMe site. And refresh or reload this page. Connection is connected. Your connection already connected and you get VPN IP. Okay, previously it was disconnected and now we see the connected, and you can start any lab practice from here. Okay, we will move to again terminal and opening a new terminal. If config and press enter turn 0. Okay, turn 0 is your TryHackMe site IP for practice this lab. Okay, 10.1.7.45.155. 10 are same IP. You can see both IP are same. Okay, so you are connected already in TryHackMe VPN. Now you use it as your choice. This multiple session or multiple room is open for your practice. What do you need? You can use it. I'm trying to session over bypassing UAC. So click bypassing UAC. You can details here about bypassing UAC. You need to see the machine status. Your start machine. For start this practice, user access control bypassing. You can see others WordPress or other room. You can see it. When you hit to minus button and see that 1 minute time is required for practice UAC bypassing or other bypassing. You can choose others and others. I am showing to you UAC for this session purpose. Okay. We are seeing another issues. Expiry time. Expiry time is 1 hour by default. So TryHackMe will provide it to you 1 hour. If you need more time, you can add here 1 hour for your best practice time if you need. So you can click here and see that 1 hour is increased for your practice. Okay, if you done, if your lab practice are done, you can terminate this site very easily. Okay, you can press Ctrl C and a VPN connection is cancelled. Okay, and for your room you can terminate here for a VPN connection. Terminate here, and your room already disconnected and VPN also previously disconnected. Move to access. See here, not connected. Okay. Thank you for watching this.